Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video we're installing the Waterpik EcoFlow shower head. It installs in minutes, anti-clogs, handheld with flexible 5-foot hose, limited lifetime warranty. Now the thing I like about these, one, they save water, two, you got them on a hose. So like if you're cleaning your bathtub, your shower, you can actually use this to spray off the tub cleaning solution and stuff. I've had these in all my showers many a times. I'll give the Waterpik products, the shower heads, a 5-star rating because they are good. They really work and they last. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to install one. It's quick, simple, and it's easy. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're going to be installing the Waterpik shower head. Go ahead and get it out of the box. You got your hose, instructions, connector, and your shower head. You adjust the heads by just moving this in either direction. Let's go ahead, head in the bathroom, and install it. Okay, first thing we gotta do is remove our old shower head. Then we're gonna get this right here, screw it on. Now another nice thing, you see how low this is? Now if I took a shower, that was always hitting me in the head. So with this shower head, it'll be up a little bit higher. Now we're going to take a rag and put it over this so our pliers don't leave marks on it. I think I got it. Try it one more time. Come on, you. There you go. Now you want it tight. You don't want it crazy tight. If you have Teflon tape, replace the old Teflon tape. Problem is right now, I don't have any Teflon tape. We'll put it like that. Now with the hose, it doesn't matter which end you use, they're both the same. Let's screw that on. Once again, if you have Teflon tape, use it. Once again, I forgot to pick some up. Now you want these tight, but you don't want them crazy tight. And over time, this hose will relax and hang down better. Just got to screw on the shower head. And that'll fit in just like that. Let's go ahead and turn on the water. There we go. Check for leaks. Here, here, up in here. If there's no leaks, you're good to go. If there are leaks, just tighten it up a little bit more. Like I said, over time, with the water in it, it'll relax and hang a little bit better for you. Also, you can get like something to hang on the actual hose, maybe a wet wash rag or something. So, like I said, it's quick, simple, easy. Give it a shot. This is live time. It only took me how long? Maybe 5 minutes. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.